Hey everybody, Julio here with JZ Digital. Today we're going to be putting on some stringers for a pool deck. I've been meaning to do it for a while. I just got around to it. You know, we're always riding at Busco and stuff instead of taking care of the important things at home. But today we're going to get around to it. Here's my pool deck. Here's where the steps are going to go. Here's all the material I'm using. I'm going to show you guys a little trick on how to save some money on the stringer. So give us a like, comment if you have any questions. I'm not a professional. I don't claim to be. If you guys have a better way of doing it, let me know. If you have any more questions, also comment below. So I got 2 by 12 by 16. I can get 2 sets of stringers per each board, and I'm gonna show you how I can save you some money. Check it out, guys. I need 7 of these stringers. You can get them out of a 2 by 12. All right, and there you have it. These are 2 by 12 by 16, so I can get 3 stringers out of it, and they're $45 a piece. Times, and I only need 2 of them. That'll be $90. It'll save you over $70. Follow for more. All right guys, check it out. So what I'm doing now is I am going back and I'm cutting this to be square. One thing I forgot to check before I started all this to make sure this was square, and this is what butts up to the deck. If the deck is plumb or level, that's what's gonna make this plumb or level, and this was throwing it way off. That's a 1/4 inch within 6.5 inches. That's a huge difference. I'm gonna just cut this off right quick. It might not seem like much, but it's throwing it way off. Here's the factory cut from Lowe's. Check it out. You see, you put the square, it's about a 1/4 inch to nothing, and that's what's throwing it off. The best way to do it is mark all of them the right way. This is the cheap, quick DIY way of doing it, just copying the templates off of Lowe's. However, that template, I was gonna use it, but I needed 7 steps instead of 5. So I'm gonna end up taking that back anyways. I was hoping I could use it. So before, this part here wasn't buttoned up. This was touching and this was not. By squaring it off from here to here, now everything sits pretty flush. Pop me a line real quick. All right guys, check it out. This is what it looks like with the step treads on there. So the purpose of this video was to see how good the stringers were from Lowe's. And let me tell you, after doing all this here, it did help me out a lot. I would say that yes, you can use the stringers from Lowe's. However, I would double check the very first stringer to make sure everything is square. They did work out for me after I adjusted some of the cuts. Thank you, Lowe's, for the template. However, I took that other one back because, like I said, it was a 5-step and I needed a 7-step. I thought if I were to buy them already cut that they would be 98% perfect. I'm not expecting a 100% perfect product because nobody's perfect, but I would have liked them to be a little bit more accurate. It is what it is. So I hope this video helps you guys out, and I know it's not a normal 4-wheeler video, but I was doing this, so I figured let's go ahead and get these steps done, go ahead and record it, give you guys a little bit more content. I hope you guys enjoy it. We'll catch you on the next video. Check it out, guys. I need 6 of these stringers, and they're $28 a piece. Here's what you do. You take one and you trace it, and you can get 3 out of these. These are 16 footers, $45 a piece. 45 times 2 is 90. $28 times 6 is $168. Do the math, guys.